Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing PDFs in Google Drive and making them shareable. That gives you stable URLs. Once done, copy the file link and extract the file ID if you want a clean construct. In your Google Sheet, choose a dedicated column and set cells to plain text so the URL won't auto-format. Now insert the copied link or prepare a formula. Either paste full URL directly or use a constructed link with the file ID for better control and automation. Next, you'll create clickable or direct download links using formulas. Use hyperlink, URL, label to display friendly text while pointing to the PDF. If you prefer direct downloads, construct URLs as https://drive, Google, com/uck, export equals download and ID equals file ID and plug in the ID from a column. For many rows, combine concat or text join with array formula to auto-generate links from an ID column. Make sure ranges match and absolute references are correct, so the formula fills without shifting references unexpectedly. Finish by validating every link. Open them in a different account or incognito window to confirm permission settings. If you need an inline preview, use the docs preview URL or image with a preview thumbnail. Otherwise, use the direct download URL for file retrieval. If a link fails, check for wrong file ID, restricted sharing, or formula typos. One key troubleshooting tip: when permissions block access, set sharing to anyone with link and recopy the link. Often permission resets resolve most failures immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.